Welcome back to the video. It's been a while since I put up a video, but yeah, because I was waiting for a lot of things to happen, like my new bike, which I'm on. Yeah, too much of traffic, and I'm still waiting for my wheels, which happens to be stuck in Indian customs, thanks to bureaucracy and awesome Indian fuck-ups which happen because of delays and whatnot. Nonetheless, I got some stock wheels. Yesterday was a gorgeous day, 90 kilometers of riding around Ooty with around 2.7 kilometers worth of climbing. It was one hectic day. I mean, views like this, epic. So I'm here with Steffi and Imaad. Today is our second day of riding, actually third day you could say, but second day with Imaad. Taking some of these unknown roads behind, we're doing valley hopping from different towns in the Nilgiris to where we stay. The roads are gorgeous. There's of course a lot of work going on like behind, and a lot of tea estates. The weather suddenly taken a turn. I mean, my jacket's out because it was super hot, and now it's cool now. Like, I need to zip up my jacket. Look at that, climbing up into heaven. I hope you enjoyed the video. Got a bunch of GoPro footage, a bunch of things from Bangalore which I'm going to put into the video, which you're going to see after this. Yeah, I got one more day in the Nilgiris, that's tomorrow. Sunny side. Tomorrow's the last day. I'm going to get some stuff done. Look at this. Views for days. Okay, there's the descent coming, GoPro's coming on. This is my first school. It's good to be back. Good to be back in my old school. I mean, I think this is the only old building that remains from it. Everything else is new. So, do you want to talk to me while climbing? How does it feel to climb up a hill just before you eat? So here are two master Imbu Seth
Kind of.
Look at this. This is day 2 of Tour de Machas project. One of the routes that we're going to take. So epic.
Yeah, it just gets better.
It just gets better. Yeah, yesterday was a crazy day of climbing. Thank you. People, man. Yeah, yesterday was a crazy day of climbing. 90 kilometers and 2,800 meters of climbing. 3,000 for you. So today is an easy day, but
2,000 meters climbing, I think.
1,600 probably. Yeah. But Adam, yeah, we're gonna go all the way up there now, which is pretty awesome. So Imo, this is like a what? 10% climb?
9-10%. But it becomes like 12-13 in the front.
Fuck.
Yeah. You can see that.
Yeah, I can see that. It's gonna get better. And how long is the climb?
30 minutes.
30 minutes of this.
Not fully, but yeah, almost.
Yeah, fuck me. Thank you, Imo. Definitely worth the views there.
Get better a little bit on top.
Yeah.
You're going to jump into another valley now.
Which one?
No clue which one, but yeah. Valley to valley.
Valley
hopping.
Any words?
No.
2 words. Madam, 2.
You always leave me behind.
Are they?
I have to struggle alone all the time.
Oh.
You're chit-chatting all the time, having fun, and I'm struggling behind you. And then you stop somewhere. When I reach, you go again, and I have no time to stop and to relax.
Oh shit. That's true. I hate that feeling. Okay.
And descent, I'm always
It's
in the
his
back.
fault. He's the guy.
You always leave me beside.
It's him.
Don't blame me.
But here are nice birds.
I mean, the view is incredible. I mean, fuck.
Birds.
Oh, yeah. Hello, Sparrow.
Oh my God.
You scared the bird away. You scared the bird away. So it's our final day in Ooty, and it starts with 16 to 20% climbs in the first 8 kilometers. No, 4 kilometers. So damn proud of you. Very proud of you. Best climbing award, and Taugen goes to the woman from Berlin. What do you think?
Yeah, for sure.
So we just climbed from there, went all the way there. Epic.